3D prints have layer lines or rough spots. This video shows how to use the Supermaker S1 Dual-Mode Polishing Pen to get a smooth, professional finish. Setup. Plug in. Push switch to top. Loosen nut and chuck. Pick the right head and sandpaper. Attach sandpaper. Reinstall head. Tighten nut and chuck. Use wrench to secure. Return switch to middle. Select mode. Push switch forward for reciprocating mode. Backward for rotary mode. For 3D models, choose reciprocating mode. Push switch forward. Adjust speed. Push speed switch backward to increase speed. Forward to decrease. Adjust as needed. Polishing tips. Tip. Start with low grit sandpaper for large bumps. Switch to high grit for polishing. Efficient and protects your model. C. Smooth and detailed. Switch to rotary mode. To switch to rotary mode, push switch to top. Loosen nut and chuck with wrench. Swap heads. Tighten and secure. Push switch back to middle, then all the way down. Slowly push speed switch backward. Done. Important notes. If switch won't push to top when changing heads, slightly twist the nut first, then push to top, and loosen with wrench. To extend tool life, run 30 minutes, then cool 10 minutes.